Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Okay, as promised, here are the before and afters on the Dead Cat House video. Now, why, Chris, is it called the Dead Cat House? Well, when we first went into it to show our client, we had to step over a dead cat in the lower section there. It was very rough, as you will see by the before video. Now, the after video is bits and pieces. Antonello very kindly went in and did some video for us, but when we get back, with the owner's permission, I'd like to do a full, shiny, spectacular video for you because the touches he put in are amazing. Now, this brings me to another point. We are still working on our course that we are working in coordination with Antonello Lucchesi. It is called the Italian Architecture and Renovation Master Course with Master Architect Antonello Lucchesi. And I'll tell you something, after you see this video, you're gonna wanna do his course if you're considering a renovation in Italy. It's gonna be awesome. Take a look, guys. Okay. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are just steps down from the street leading to the piazza in Santa Domenica Tilao, and we're going to see this very awesome house. If you can see the stairway behind you there's only a short stairway from the street. So if you have mobility issues, this might be a pretty good option as long as you can still go up and down stairs a little bit. But it's not like some that are, midway down with a whole ton of stairs. So we're going to go inside. Come on. This place is actually in really nice shape. I'm quite surprised when we walked in. The floors are beautiful. The only thing, he said, it's semi-habitable, meaning that some of the balconies have to be redone. Balconies generally run around 1,500 euros here, so that's really not that bad. The price on this house is 43,000, which is crazy. So let's take a tour here. Here's the entry hall. You can see it's really, really nice. There's a bathroom here with a little wet room, which is really normal in Italy. The wet room is basically, the whole room is tiled so that you could get it all wet. However, you could get rid of that giant sink there, put in a small sink and possibly a shower box or something like that, or even a shower curtain. And that could work out really, really great. Got room for your bidet. Oh, I see a sink over here. Okay, so you don't even need this big sink for washing laundry or whatever. You could take this whole thing out and create a shower box here, which would be really good size. That's what I would do. However, you could use it already right now, just as it is. Put down a nice little mat so you don't slip, and you have a wet room, and everything is in really nice shape. I'm really, really pleased.
Cucina soggiorno.
Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, well, here you have Cucina Soggiorno, which is a kitchen, which is actually big, and it's an open plan kitchen, which is very unusual here in Italy. You have a beautiful fireplace here. I would see if you could make that into a pizza oven, or you can take it out if you want to, and have a much bigger kitchen. You can even put a little table in this side here. But the kitchen is in nice shape. Of course, it's dated, but it's been kept up really nicely. I love that you have this little pony wall here that divides the kitchen from the living room. You have a good sized kitchen space. You have some cool texturing on the walls. Just a little bit of upgrading here, you could have something really spectacular. Now, the Soggiorno area is absolutely gorgeous here. It's huge. You have tons of space. If you took out all these tables and things, you could see that you have a really good area. Now, unfortunately, we cannot go out on the balcony because it's not safe. They have a chair there. Non possiamo andare perché non è sicuro.
No, è sicuro, è l'invisso che era tutto rotto.
Oh, okay.
Ma il balcone si può pure allargare.
Sì. Okay, so this balcony can be enlarged. And possiamo allargare anche la finestra.
Sì.
You could, okay, so here's what you could do here. You could basically make this whole area larger with a big, beautiful double doppio doors with I don't know if you can see this view of the sea from here. I'm going to take a picture for you and insert it in the video, but it's a beautiful view of the sea. I'm taking a video here because outside is an extension of the rooftop, and underneath the rooftop you could make that into a roof terrace. Now, there's a little tiny space here. You can make a small door that you could sort of sneak out onto the roof terrace, but it's a roof terrace with those views of the sea. it wouldn't be that expensive to do. You would just be changing a few things. This house is really, really nicely arranged. There's very little that you actually have to do to make it really, really special.
Questo Chris si può togliere
Sì.
e diventa un ingresso.
Oh,
E poi qui,
sì.
questo è tutto rifatto,
Ah,
tutto con soldi.
wow.
Quindi lì c'è quella finestrina, si può anche chiudere da qui.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
Quindi se uno potrebbe rifarci un altro bagno o quello che vuole.
Come la nostra.
Come la vostra. E poi questo potrebbe diventare tutto la terrazza.
Oh, okay, so.
Right here.
There you are. Okay, so we just came through the door in the bedroom, and now we're in the sottotetto, underneath the roof, okay? Now, what Antonella was saying was that you could put a little wall here, and you could actually put another bathroom up here. So you could have an ensuite bathroom for your bedroom. And then beyond that, you would have a beautiful roof terrace, which I think is very close to what we did in our house, where you have a little corridor, you have an extra bathroom, and then you have your magnificent roof terrace coming off of your bedroom. That would handle two things. It would give you an extra bathroom here, and give you the spectacular views of the sea that we just saw out your balcony. That would be really good. So what he's telling me is that in addition to everything we've seen, first of all, the restructuring for the balcony, for the bathroom, for the wall, the stucco and everything else, and the roof terrace would probably be about 15,000 euros. So for 15,000 euros over and above the 43,000 that you pay to get this place, this could all be redone into another bathroom, beautifully set up, and a roof terrace. Now, in addition, there's two other storage areas downstairs that could also be refinished. So you have tons of opportunity here. You could leave those ancient or rustic if you want to and keep them as storage, or you could create them into bedrooms or whatever you want to create down there. But I would certainly do a roof terrace here and another bathroom, and for 15,000 euros, you could have an absolutely stunning place. In the storage areas down below, now this used to be an olive mill. You can see these things sticking out, and there's all kinds of stuff here for where they used to make olive oil. And if you look through there, you can actually come through here and see this goes underneath the whole of the living room area, and I think the bedroom as well. So there's a ton of space under here that you could do. Now, these ceilings and floors have all been restructured. They're brand new, which is really, really exciting. And here you have a whole nother area with tons of space. If you wanted to refinish this, you could. Antonello says you could change this into a bedroom and a bathroom and put whatever you want in it. There's plenty of space and light. There's two entrances to this particular space. Again, the floors and the ceilings are all redone. They're brand new, very, very structurally intact. There's an entrance here. You could have it be an entrance, or you could have it be a bunch of windows, which I would probably do that because the entrance off the stairway here is much better entrance. But there's tons of space down here that you could refinish, or you could just keep it for storage, whatever you want to do. He says basically the stairway could come down. That would be below the kitchen, and you could have a bedroom with a bathroom here and a bedroom with a bathroom here.